There are 4 families of parrots: Old World, New World, cockatoos, and New Zealand parrots. There are around 279 species of parrots. Some parrots can mimic our voices. African gray parrots can have a vocabulary of more than 150 different words. Oops, sorry. They can lay anywhere from 2 to 8 eggs. They can live up to 10 to 60 years. Parrots have 4 toes, 2 that point forward and 2 that point backwards. They also have strong beaks. They range from 40 inches long all the way down to 4 inches long. And have you ever kept